more beautiful you.
Good morning, everyone. So today I did the FARMASi Trio, just the FARMASi Eyeshadow Trio in Vice Brown, and it turned out very pretty. I did put a concealer base down, just so you know, and we're gonna wear this all day and see what it does. So right now it's wearing very well. It went on very well. It went on very smoothly. I was very impressed with how it applied. Now let's see how it wears. Bye. Hey everyone. So I did not have time to do a midday check-in today for this mono eyeshadow or the powder eyeshadow that FARMASi has. But guys, let me tell you, normally I am all sorts of creased or I don't know, like there's just areas where you can see that the eyeshadow is darkened and it's creased in my crease. Does that make sense? Anyway, guys, this eyeshadow from FARMASi, it has not done that at all. There is no creasing, nothing. And I'm telling you, normally is bad. So I am very impressed with the way that this FARMASi eyeshadow is and has worn through the day, because I put this on 7:30, 8 o'clock ish. It's about 6 p.m. at night. It has lasted very well. Now keep in mind I did put a concealer primer under it. But even then, like, I normally do that with my eyeshadows, and they're just all sorts of wrong by this time. So, great job, FARMASi. I'm impressed with the powders just as much as I was impressed with the cream eyeshadow. Either one, you guys, you cannot go wrong with the FARMASi eyeshadow. All right, bye.